Chicago Bears hoodie right here going for way cheap. Way cheap. That's probably what, 70-80% off? Yo, they got multiple of these. Wow, almost 50% off. In the women's section right here, well under $100 for these. And look at this. This is such a dope find. Got a Gronkowski jersey. We back out in Santa Clarita. My homie George needs to get some, so I was like, hey, let's go. He's looking for Charger stuff. And I saw this right here. I saw a jersey. Where did I see this jersey? There we go, right here. This is an Angels FC jersey, going for $40. Normally $95. Not too bad. Oh, they're sponsored by Sprouts. That's funny. Like a polo right here, going for $30. Is that a USA t-shirt? USA t-shirt, $15 for that one. Dude got one of these. I don't know what team this is though. Oh, one of the Mexico teams, right? You know this team, fool?
Yeah, Pumas.
Pumas? Apparently it's the Pumas team. And what's this going for? What is it? It is a large, $40, normally $95. A little baseball jersey right here, going for $30. That's an XL. Another one of these jerseys, XL. Got San Diego State Aztecs shirt right here, long sleeve shirt, $30. This is a dry fit Jordan brand. This is a dry fit Jordan brand shirt right here. Got some tech fleece down to $50. This is just a sweatshirt, no hoodie attached. Chicago Bears hoodie right here. What? $15? $15 for a Nike Chicago Bears hoodie? Wow. Telling George to check the slide section. Oh, these are mostly college, huh? They're mostly college, my bad. I was thinking that these are NFL teams, but now mostly college. They still have Ohio State, UNC. Got Oklahoma right there, Georgia. What? What? Are you serious? Are you serious? $35 for these right here? I'm telling you, just 2-3 days makes a world of a difference. Got a size 9. These look like a size 13. And then these are size 12, so they don't have my size. Size 12, size 13, and a size 9. These go for $65. Almost 50% off, damn. And then of course I do have to check the size 8s right here. Been trying to help one of my boys with some racing shoes. Not seeing any. I'm like 0 for 10. I did find the 8.5 though. That doesn't fit them, dang it. And they still got a ton of Nike Bayous in the size 9.5. And these are some Pegasus right here down to 60. Some Hirachis right here by Abram going for 60. Gray Forces right here, $100 for those. If you can find some Nike Bayou Dunks, so worth it because they let them go, I think, for $60. The homie Georgie trying on some Blazer Jumbos. He's wearing his New Balance already. Those are the ones we just got, last week, right? That was just last week. How do you like them? $50 for the Blazer Jumbos. He's like, are they comfortable? I'm like, if you like Chucks, those pretty much fit just like Chucks. And the 10.5. The campers usually don't like the Nike Bayous as much, but I don't see any more Dunks. Yeah, just like running shoes and generic shoes. And and all of them go for 60. Checking the women's section. They still got these here. 90. Air Max 90s. These are $35 size 11, so 9.5 men's. And these run tight, so I already know these ain't gonna fit me, dang it. Yeah, I love the way those look, man. These are fire, dude, but yeah, they're tight. They're hella tight, dang it. Dang it. $35 for these. I had to try them, but they didn't work. Dunk Low Next Nature's $90. Don't get the healthy discount on that one. GT Cut Academies, they had one here for what, $25? Someone took those. They were size 13 women's. 13.5, so these are size 12. Look at $75. $75 for Jordans. Not bad. Size 11s. These are 11 men's, women's, size 12 and a half. And these are some, I don't even know what the hell these are. These are SB Pogos? What the hell? Man, these are down to $40. Size 12 Jordans going for 70. Nike by you, look at how clean these are. $30. $30 all white. Oh, these are hella clean. Got the metal aglets right there. Oh, dude, $30 freaking dollars for blazers right here. This is my size, and that leather is so soft. Oh my goodness, that is a steal. Holy cow, holy cow. And then look at the top two lace holders right there. Look at that. Got little Nike signs on them. $30 for that. Holy cow. I showed Jord the price. I think it's gonna be half size big, but he's like, it's worth a try. It's worth a try for $30. It's all white. Matches with anything. Do got these right here. Look at this. Size 10 men's. $60. $60. This has some good texture to it and stuff. Man, these are an SE too. These are an SE. They use that upgraded material. If you don't mind this color. George tried on his left, and then now he's trying on the right. I think they're a bit big, but they're $30. So I don't know. Where's your toe, Faithful? Where's your toe? It's about half. It's not that bad. Half size too big. Yeah. So I don't know. $30, dog. Fool's gonna buy that. We're gonna go check out a few more stores. So we'll take you on a little journey with us. George grabbed them 49? No, $30. $30 blazers. So we got a Marshalls next door. We need to see what's up here. And then look at this. Look at this retro brand. Makes UCLA jerseys apparently. Got Kevin Love right here. This is a small $60, man. They taxing y'all. And we are looking for Chargers gear. They do have Rams gear right here. Team apparel, $30 for these hoodies. These are mediums. Another one of these in a double XL. Oh, Angels jersey right here, $40 for those. That's actually really nice. It is a blank one, but it is an authentic. Another Rams in double XL, but no luck with the Chargers jersey. Oh, this is dope. Dodgers. Is he a Doyer fan or is he a Padres fan? Bastard. And I did buy one of these a while back. This is a Mitchell and S. Mitchell and S Dodgers double XL, $15. They got an Angels shirt right here. That is a Majestic brand double XL, triple XL for $13. And then got some Stitches brand. If you know a snitch, you can give them one of these because the Stitches brand, right? Because that's what they get. They get stitches. So $30 is stupid. But yeah, they got a Nikes. Oh, Nikes. Looks like a throwback shirt or something. $8. And these are all that's an XL. Some of them are double XLs. UCLA shirt right here going for $8. I guess they just got a bunch of Halloween stuff lately. They actually have a pretty good selection of stuff. This is dope if you got kiddos, man. This is what's up. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man right there. Oh, this is $20 for that thing. They got decorations at the end. I was so confused. I was like, what is that? I was like, it's the back of a pug, huh? That's what it is. What did these go for? $20 for these things right here. That's pretty cool. Betsy Johnson tote bag right here. $13 for that. So they did have a little bit of apparel. Do they have any sneakers though? Do they have any sneakers? Any sneakers? New Balance 880s. Go for $60 right there. 574s. What these go for? These are down to $50 right here. That's a solid find. I don't know about the color, but hey, these are pretty dope. They got multiple of those. Same size though. They got some Sauconys right here. Endorphin Shift 3s. So that's one of their major running shoes. These are going for $60. I know the Endorphins, they retail for over $100. They probably got a ton of these because look, another one. Size 11. Got some Brooks right here. What the hell are these? Caldera 6s? These. Look at the midsole. Holy cow. Look at the midsole. $70 for these. I have no clue what the retail is. I don't really know these shoes like that at all. Got some Puma suede looking shoes right here. These are 9.5. These are down to 40. Got some generic Reebok classics right here. Those are marked at $30. Then more of these 574s. Then the women's section's like extra huge. I told George to try on them Endorphins max cushion shoe. Look at this. This is in the women's section. It's supposed to be a Kyrie Flytrap. Definitely not. I don't know what model that is. And I've walked around up and down the aisles and I'm not really seeing many sneakers. Seeing just stuff like this. Like what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Not really seeing much to show you guys. Not really. Wait, I missed one right here. Look at this. 574s, but these are, what is it, like a canvas or something? No, this isn't a canvas, but it's like a nylon material. Colorway black and white, pretty freaking dope. 50 bucks, 50 bucks for that. So they do have some stuff that might be worth getting. So I tried on the Calderas. First of all, they're Brooks, and these are insane, dude. They remind me of the Hokas. Just super, super cushiony. Not as cushiony as the Zoom, but kind of like Boost-esque. Boost? Kind of Boost-esque. And like the Hokas, it's just EVA foam, but just a ton of it. We are back to seeing Crocs here at Marshall's. $30. Don't have to pay $55. They got all kinds of sizes right here. They got the new design. They got 1, 2 different colorways of the traditional. Oh, they got 3 different colorways of the traditional one. So that's pretty dope. 30 instead of 55. Damn, I'm close as hell. Whatever. We're checking out one of these right next door. More Rams gear. Are there way more Rams gear than Chargers gear? Is that what we're finding, George? I think so. Got this bootleg looking Stitches brand Dodgers jersey right here. Going for 25. I was like, yo, are these some jerseys? No, they're U branded. They're pretty bootleg looking. Yeah, extra bootleg looking. They got Chargers shirt in a small. These are down to $6. This is Team Apparel. Also got those in medium right here. Large and XL as well. So this is the only thing that they have a ton of. Of course, we have to check out the sneakers. They got some of the Immortalities right here. Price unknown. Got some Reeboks. Dang it, just went off. God dang it, bastards. $30. Is it this one? I didn't even touch this one. Or is it this one? No, I think it's this one. Bastards. It's this one. What the hell? I didn't even touch you, dog. 35 for the Sauconys right here. And these are going for what? 40 for the Kukinis. I see more and more Sauconys. Don't really know what shoe that is, the model. $35. More of the Snoop Dogs right here. These are 35. Like I said, those are 30. And I actually been looking for Metcons. This is a 10.5, 50 bucks. Let's see if I can find a refurb for cheaper. $50 for these. That is actually a really good price, but yeah, that's a Metcon 9 too. I think that's the latest model, right? More of the Sauconys right here. This one's nice. Got a ton of suede on it. $40 for these bad boys right here. Yeah, that's nice. Trey Young 3s right here going for 38. Got Penn State Pegasus right here. 25 for those. Holy cow, that's a solid deal. And then got these right here, the Gill Zero Resto Mods, size 13. Is that a... That fool's just running, dude. He's running, dude. But yeah, these bad boys reduced to $28. That's what's up. We got BSRs right here. These are the budget version of the Project Rocks right here. And these are going for 55 or 50. My bad. These are going for 50. Then the crazy ones. I walked by these earlier. Good thing I did a walk through one more time. $45 for these. That's definitely yeah, not bad. Not bad. These are 9.5. Oh, they got a couple. I missed a couple of them. Damn. Checked out all the shorts right here. Look at this. This Adidas shorts right here. And this is an MLS. Austin FC. $10. 10 freaking dollars. We know these go for 65 normally. Down to 10 bucks. But that's the only thing, dude. And it is a small. I didn't find nothing else. Even in Santa Clarita, they got Little taco stand right here. George is grabbing a little something. Yeah, I'm surprised to see this in Santa Clarita, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I just realized all this was out in the heat today. No, I'm good. I'm good. But I'm also eating healthy. All right, I did get some updates regarding some Ross. We gotta look around now. All right, didn't see much in the apparel, but look at this. The Grant Hill 2s right here. Man, this is a colorway I've never even seen before. These are going for 30 in a small size. Got rivalries right here, going for way too much at 43. One of the alarms just started going off. Is this Bryce Harper? These Bryce Harper's 35. When I was told that some of these have been marked down, not here, dang it, 50 bucks. Got plenty of the Snoop Dogs. Got some Steph Curry's right here. These are size 12, 50 bucks. Which Currys are these? How old are these? I don't even know which ones they are. I don't think they date them. Oh, 623, so I guess one of the newer ones? Or could have been a retro, right? They're doing the Flotros, I think. Another one of the Stephs right here. These are marked down to $35. Is this the one I've seen before? Yeah, it's like 11 and a half or something. First time I've ever seen Jason Tatum's here. $60 for these bad boys. These are bright as hell, goddamn. They're size 12. So a decent size, 60 bucks. 38 for the Trae Young 3s right there. NMD's going for 60. Got the extra big, what the hell are they? Adidas foams, the extra huge ones go for 40. Michigan slides right here. What are these marked down to? These are marked down to $20. Damn, that's high. Look at these Crocs. I don't like these Crocs. I don't know why. It's the ones with the no holes on the front. 30 for those. All right, man. I need to look, dude. I need to look. And this spot getting way interesting. Look at this. Rob Gronkowski jersey. Nike jersey right here. 40 bucks. That's dope. That's dope. That was a size medium. Got a nice little dry fit polo. This is a Nike. Nike right here. $27. That's the most I've ever seen for a polo. What the hell? LAFC t-shirt. This is an Adidas. $10 for this thing. Moving on to the sneakers, got some Vans Lowlands right here for 35. These retail for like 90 now, which is insane. Got some skate highs right here going for 40. Ozelias right here going for 40 and a size 8. Got some cleats, some soccer cleats. These are pretty freaking premium right here. $30 for these. NMDs, these are a kid size though, size 6. Right here. Don't see a price tag. Donovan Mitchell's right here going for 40. These are going to get dropped, but they'll lower the price that is. And yeah, do got these bad boys right here. These are the Jeremy Scott top 10 wings, right? Top 10 wings. All right, maybe not the top 10, but they are the wings. These are going for 40. Some pro models right here. Pro models going for 40. Yeah, I've not been seeing these marked down quite yet. Gotten messages from some of you guys. I guess it depends on the colorway because they all come in waves, and it has to be one of the early waves, I guess. But yeah, these have been marked down. I don't know what these are going for. I don't know. It is marked down. Oh, $28. 28 bucks. Someone just messaged me they got one, so they probably got it at Ross. Yeah, this is definitely the find of the day here. This is crazy. This is dope, man. That's dope.